up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you a tour of my studio apartment in South Korea. I only moved here less than a month ago, so I haven't accumulated a ton of stuff in my apartment, but I thought I'd give you a tour of it anyway. So without further ado, let's get started. So here is my apartment. Just have to enter in my passcode. And then I also have a doorbell outside, so that's kind of cool. Inside of my apartment, this is where I would put my shoes and put on little slippers. Alright. And then to the side, I have my shoe closet. As you can see, I don't have a ton of shoes because I didn't bring that many over. And then I also use this closet to keep some of my bulkier sweaters as well as my summer clothes. On the other side, we have just two closets. One I just keep for my fall jackets, I guess, and vests, and then on the top closet I just have extra storage basically for an iron and my backpack for travel, as well as some space bags. And then on the side, this is the little doorbell thing. Your face comes on there and I can basically see who it is so that I can let you in. And to the right, we have my bathroom. I'm actually really lucky to have this bathroom because it's super spacious and it does have a divider. I just put on my little shower shoes so I can step into the bathroom. So here's my toilet and some cleaning supplies that I have. Again, super spacious. Hello. And here are just extra shelvings, medication, hair dryer, straightener, and etc. etc. So this is also my makeup and feminine supplies as well, and my skincare. Once again, here's my shower. It's cool because I have all three different water dispensers, I guess that's what they're called. I have a top shower, and then I have a little handheld one, and then a faucet as well. So it's really nice. Alright, and here is my kitchen. Obviously, in Korean apartments, you have your washer right underneath your stove. So I have two pans on top of each other because I don't have room for them, as well as the condiments in the corner. I have a drying rack right above my sink. Some mugs, a rice cooker that came with the apartment. And in here is my counter slash dining table, I guess. Underneath there is my drying rack for my laundry. And then in the last one, I have my food. I don't have that much food right now, so don't judge me. And then underneath the sink, I just have bags, my step stool, and some cleaning supplies. And then one of the things I really like about this kitchen is that I have a full-size fridge and it's like seamless into the wall. So I don't have that much stuff, guys. And then I have my dishes up here, dishes and bowls, utensils, and then in this one I have my microwave and some cutting boards, and then that one just has the air vent for that. And then above it, this is why I need my step stool, I have some Tupperware in there, and then those two are empty so far. But yeah, so here is my little kitchen. And then next to the kitchen, I have my closet, which holds a majority of my clothes, actually. So there's a shelf up there, hangers. I don't actually need this, so I kind of wish that this was gone, but you know, whatever, it's there. And then I have undergarments. I have bathing suits as well, and here are socks, and then some PJs. I have another drying rack as well because the other drying rack isn't enough when I do laundry. And I have jeans in here. And then a nice part about this closet is that it has a mirror as well. And then this closet, it's basically just, the air vents and stuff, so I don't really open it. I just have my suitcase all nestled there. And here's my bed. So the bed's a twin size bed. But the funny part is that I have a bunk bed as well. So I have two twin-size mattresses, and the one on top is still wrapped in plastic. So if anyone wants to come visit me, they have a place to stay. And then I just added some pictures on the wall to make it feel a little bit more homey. And here's a picture of me and my boyfriend and some books that I made just to make this feel a little more homey as well. It's sitting on top of a shelf that I turned horizontal because I just wanted it to be leveled with my bed. I don't have a ton of stuff in there, again, that I told you. The toaster's in there because there's no room in my kitchen, and then a water kettle as well. And then to the right, we just have my trash, recycling, and then my TV. It's actually a really nice TV, although it doesn't get that much use out of it because it's all in Korean, and so I don't really watch TV that much. And then I have a desk that was also provided for me, a vacuum cleaner in the corner, but a lot of storage space, although I don't really need to store a ton of stuff. And then I just have a calendar and a couple more pictures. But yeah, so it's all in this little tiny corner. Well, that concludes my apartment tour. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to see what I do next. Bye. Guys, I am so awkward.